Shawn Cutter here. I am back. So I have given ChatGPT a series of slides and my narrative, which I will get back to. You'll see some of it. And I said, go ahead and start creating the pictures. You see inside of this deck is recommendations on what the picture should be. And so here it is. Visual rendering of Mansfield, Ohio data centers, greenhouse solar panels. So those visuals have now been manifested here. Slide 1. So there it is. Slide 2, Shawn on a farm, Shawn in tech, broken food system, circular model for energy, how the whole thing works. So think infographic, flowchart, and now we get into some detail. So we're building power plants here, cooling stacks, greenhouses. So it's really futuristic, right? Got a cool icon and the scales, weighing technology versus long-term commitments. Have a nice picture of a globe. It's not bad. It's a little bit cartoony. So I said, review all the work, build me a new set of prompts. And by the way, I'm on 4.0, but I was on 4.5 earlier because I'm always testing out. But I only have a couple left, so I got to hold those. Anyway, back here. We work to improve. We add more detail, company names, key items, make sure everything is spelled correctly. And so you'll notice that it uses parentheses, quotes, more in this next phase. Make it skeuomorphic. So that's a style that I'm kind of obsessed with right now. And so it did. Here's the prompt, right? And so I took these and I also did this in Canva, which I'll get to, and I'll show you that. But let's see how this did here. That's not bad. Here we have a little circular motion. There we have greenhouse, data centers. There's the split. I don't know. These are a little more skeuomorphic, right? That kind of 3D texture, a little bit Game of Thrones style. Just start watching that again, by the way. Such a good series. And EnergiAcres is spelled wrong, but it's getting there. And here, community, I don't know, I completely botched those. And we have a different kind of scale. Now I did really dig that, and we need to blur some of that out and do something with it. But I was impressed by this. That's something that I think we could use again and again anyway. So now the reality is ChatGPT failed in each one of these, and I'll show you why. But for right now,